simple, easy at the beginning. Arm up, we kick 4 times, each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8, to the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the side, we do PK. The PK is very light, okay? 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 7 times. Right now, we do balancing. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, and then go faster. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Stay arabesque, clear, wing rhythm, attitude. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, front face, back face, front face, back face, back, 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 back. PK, 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 and face. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Clear, really attitude. Find center. Really small, hold the stick.